Skill Combination Analysis. Lava Barrier Ignition. Lava Barrier creates a defensive circle at range 4, with each hex providing 3 defense. Aerial Smash allows movement through flight and drops a sigil, dealing 4 DMG. Rallying Sigil causes enemies killed by burn stacks to explode, applying burn +3 to adjacent foes. Ignition Converter transforms all burn status effects into direct physical damage +1. When Ignition Converter converts all the burn stacks to physical DMG +1, it will inevitably explode any remaining section of the lava barrier, further cascading burn across the battlefield and instantly converting it into more physical DMG.